Okay, so we're gonna have a look at the case from Nillkin Camshield prop magnetic case. So let's have a look. Quite hard plastic with a sliding door for the camera, creating new experiences, and that's like some sort of a metal. And what does it say in there? Passion, focus, excellence. Nice. All the cutouts reinforced in corners. Buttons are covered. So let's see how it looks like. Seems to be quite easy to install. So far, looks nice. It is raised a bit up here and down, but it's quite slim otherwise. Yeah, as you can see, all the cutouts are perfect. And then when you want to take a photo, you open up this and your cameras are safe. And also this is raised around the lenses. I think it's quite nice.